Hello, this is Lee and Dee from the Fishing Gardeners. My hubby is out here doing a little project for me. He's getting ready to paint a planter just to spice up the garden a little more. He knows me in colors. It's pretty hot out here, so I don't want him to be out here too long, so this is going to be just a quick project. And there you go. The project is done. Didn't take too long at all. I definitely thank him for it. Beautiful color. And this is the other one that he's about to do. So that should take about a minute or so. We have a little old visitor that decided to come on into the garden, coming directly toward me. Has no fear whatsoever. Look how fast he's moving. I'm video recording him and he doesn't even care. Still coming toward me. Oh, he decided he's just going to go the other way. He said enough with all this videotaping. Thank you, everybody. Have peace. Bye.